Hello everyone, see you again with me. So today we are in Kuta, yeah? Because in my previous video about the trust in Kuta, it's get so many positive feedback, yeah. And yeah, guys, since the 3 of January, I make my video, the previous video. It's so many things happening in Indonesia, yeah, and in Bali too. So because of the many news exposed about how many trust in Kuta, you know, on the day after that, the day after I make the video, there is a lot of people, a lot of community come to the beach to help to cleaning, which is good. Yeah, a lot of people care about it. So today we're gonna have a look how's the situation now, after 1 week. Yeah, today is 10 of January. Yeah? It's Sunday, and it's 2:30. So yeah, guys, this is a weekend. So I hope you have a great weekend. Yeah, with your family, friends, and people around you. And yeah, guys, so many things happening in Indonesia. For example, that Bali having a vaccine already, Sinovac vaccine, which is arrived on the 5th of January. And, you know, it's arrived in Bali, but we still don't have a fixed date yet when it's gonna start to giving it to the people. And also, just recently, guys, yesterday, we have a really bad accident, which is one of our domestic flight, Sriwijaya. It's lost contact with the airport, and they think they're having accident, guys. They guessing the airplane is falling in Jakarta in Pulau Seribu area, which is we still not found the wreck yet, but there is already people found. They believe it's a part of the airplane, which is people still not believe, so they still continue searching until they found the wreck. So yeah, guys, it's really bad. Yeah, the accident happened, the situation like this, which is not good. So let's pray for the people and to the passenger on that airplane so they can rest in peace. Yeah, and also about the person who's have connected about the Bali bomb was released from the jail, which is a lot of people dislike it. And yeah, this is the decision of our government. I mean, so yeah, this is what happened. And yeah, we also gonna have uh, restriction start from tomorrow, guys. So restriction public activity. So uh, we're gonna start from 11 of January until to the end of until 25 of January, guys. So it's around 4 week 2 weeks. Yeah, sorry, it's around 2 weeks that we're gonna have this social restriction activity. And yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work because we already been done this in uh 2020. Yeah, but still it's a lot of people getting COVID. So I hope this time is working. And yeah, this is will be good for us, and this pandemic will be done soon. So we are already in the parking of Kuta beach, guys, which is in the front of uh Poppies 2 line. You see over there is Poppies 2 line. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, so keep follow me, guys. So we are going into the beach, guys, and yeah, we're gonna have a look how's the beach situation now with the rubbish. Yeah. Is it still a lot rubbish, or it's better looks now? But yeah, we're gonna have a look, guys. So yeah, guys, they're not stopping to cleaning it yet. Yeah, so you can see over there, guys, people with the green shirt, they're still cleaning the beach. And you can see how's the beach now. It looks so much better, guys. So in 1 week they're cleaning it a lot. Yeah, you see, you cannot, you barely see any rubbish, but there is still a little bit of them in here, which is, I think, this is just recently coming from the water, because this is really on the shallow part of the beach, yeah, on the low part of the beach, and it's still wet. So yeah, you can see, guys, over there, people with the green shirt is a government people. They're cleaning it, so they're keeping cleaning this beach, which is amazing. They're taking it seriously, the government, and yeah, they have to, because the news is already everywhere, about this beach full of rubbish. And yeah, thank you for them, thank you for a government who's already take care, and thank you for all the people, a person personally, or even a community who's already come to this beach to cleaning it too, yeah, to to showing that you are really care about our nature. And please, this is not the end of our fight against the rubbish. So for any one of you who's can do something, to give education for the people, to other people, to not throwing the rubbish around, keep doing it, which is, it's positive and it's really good. And also for the influencer, guys, giving more education content to the people, so we will have a better nature, not like rubbish everywhere. So yeah, guys, uh, the social restriction activity will start tomorrow, in Bali, which is, sometime I'm thinking it's gonna be hard. Bali, it's already quiet, not much activity anywhere, but plus this restriction activity, which will make Bali more quiet, I guess, and it's gonna become a really big problem for the people who's working every day, daily, to earn money daily and to survive for the next days. So it's a bit difficult, to accept. But if the government think this is the better things, or better way for us to get rid of COVID-19, so yeah, why not? We're gonna follow them. We're gonna follow the government will, for a better of us also, and I hope this pandemic will be done soon, and they're gonna start the vaccine soon too. So yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you for every one of you who's already support my channel, and keeping watching my video. It's really big thank you from me to you. And for any one of you guys who's just watch my video, or you've been watching but you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel, so my channel will grow and keeping access in YouTube, because the video is not only gonna be about how's Bali situation, the Bali situation, it's the video that I take on this pandemic time, but when everything back to normal, my future video, which will be traveling, to the places that maybe you never been, and I will give more information about that place, how to get there, how's the best food in there, and yeah, how beautiful the places too. So it's gonna be about traveling, food, and also news, what's going on in that area. So yeah, guys, uh, if you gonna if you like my channel, if you like what I'm doing now, please like my video, and if you think that someone or your friend who need to know about uh, the situation in Bali, or they need to see my video to know, then feel free to share, you know. So yeah, guys, I think um, this is gonna be the end of my video, yeah, for this time. And I hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I hope this 2021 will bring us a better situation, yeah, than 2020, because we all know 2020 is not the best year ever. So yeah, guys, as usual, in the end of my video, my message to you is, please keep healthy, keep positive, and see you in the next video. Bye.